We have here a 2014 Volkswagen Jetta. It's a 2-liter TDI with a CVC letter-coated engine. And the customer's concern is it's popping out of reverse. Now I'm trying to inspect the linkage here, not much to see. But let's get in the car and see if I can show you what it's doing. If you've been following my channel, you could look back into the history, and the very first diagnosis video I made was not on this car, but it was on the same customer's car that they owned at the time. They eventually crashed that car, and after they crashed the car, they sold it to me. I repaired the crash damage, and then I sold the car, and I'm still servicing it today. But this is the TDI that they replaced that 06 with. And real nice folks. I love it when I have a Volkswagen family that just continually drives Volkswagens and comes to me. I do have several families like that where they all drive TDIs. I'm going to have Bob video while I drive and show you what the shifter's doing. Guess I don't need the key for that. Now, I did drive this in and out of the bay, so I know what it's doing here, but I don't know if you can tell that. It's not really going all the way into reverse. And it is going all the way in first, all the way into second. But when I try and put it in reverse, it just doesn't go all the way in. It was popping out on me yesterday. I'm gonna put the park brake on here. I hope you can hear that, but it kind of makes some grinding noise and pops out. I'm not gonna try that very many times. Kind of seems like it's an internal transmission problem because it won't go into reverse all the way, yet it goes into first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth all the way just fine. But we really need to get a good inspection on that linkage. I couldn't see anything with the breather and the battery tray in there, and I seem to remember one. I even remember the customer's name, but where there was a squirrel had put an acorn right there where the transmission goes into reverse. I think that was a 5-speed, not a 6-speed, but let's pull this apart and see if that's the same thing on this one or whether they need a transmission. Thank you. Okay, let's get this breather out so we can take a look at the shifter linkage. Still can't see anything. I don't think there's anything blocking the linkage, but I guess I'll have Bob come out and move the shifter linkage and see if we can see anything. Okay, put it in first, please. Second. Third. Oh, I see something. Did you see that down there? Put it back in second. See that brown right there? There it is. Try and put it in reverse. Yeah, there's an acorn right there. You see that? Okay, put it in second. See if I can get this thing out of there. This is diagnosis in real time, people. It's really wedged in there. I can see it pretty good now. If we had the battery tray out, it'd be real easy to see. Please don't move that. I'm sticking my hand in there to pull this nut out of there. Oh, just got it. Oh, I dropped it. There it is right there. Oh, squirrels. They're so damn squirrely. Okay, Bob pointed out that I was calling this an acorn and it's a walnut. Sorry for that. But you can see there where the linkage has been hitting it for a while, chipping away at it. Good news for this customer, they don't need major transmission work. Now, I don't really have time to put this breather and stuff back in, so I'm going to do it the fast way. Oh, and I should probably put my tools away too. See, now when I put it in reverse, it just goes all the way in. Same distance of travel as first and third, whereas before it would stop halfway going in. So I think that's a good fix. I'll take it for a quick drive and see. I just love fixes like these where the customer comes in, they have a lot of fear that they're going to have to spend a lot of money, and they end up basically spending nothing. This is a long-term customer of mine. I love these people to death. If you enjoyed this video or you learned anything from it, be sure and click the like button. If you want to donate to the continued production of these videos, find the donate icon on my website at www.kansascitytdi.com. And if you want to watch some more of my videos, there'll be one right there and one right there. And don't forget to subscribe right there. Thanks for watching.